If you've ever wanted to show off your latest Facebook updates directly on your WordPress site, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the easiest way to embed a Facebook feed or post on your WordPress page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your website a fresh, social look, all without any complicated plugins or coding. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is home base for managing every part of your website, so just pop in your username and password as you normally would. If you're ever unsure where to log in, try adding /wp-admin to the end of your website URL. That's the WordPress back entrance. Once you're inside, look on the left-hand side for the button labeled Pages. Give that a click. Now this takes you to a list of all the pages you've created so far. If you want to add your Facebook feed to a brand new page, hit the Add New button. Maybe you want a dedicated news or social updates page. It's totally up to you. For demonstration, I'll click Add New. Next, you'll see a field asking for your page title. This is where you can get creative and name your page something like Our Facebook Feed, or anything that makes sense for your site. Just type it in. This title helps your visitors know what to expect, and it'll even show up in Google search results. Now let's get to the fun part, actually adding your Facebook content. Inside the page editor, hit the little plus icon to add a new block. There are a ton of options here, but we want to choose Custom HTML. This special block lets you paste in code directly from Facebook, so WordPress knows exactly how to display it. If you can't find it right away, use the search bar and type HTML. The next step is to pop over to Facebook. Go to your Facebook profile or page and find the post or feed you want to share. You might want to show off an announcement, a recent event photo, or a current promotion. Once you find your post, look for the three little dots in the upper right corner, kind of like a settings button for that post. Click those dots and a small menu appears. You're looking for the option called Embed. Go ahead and click Embed. Facebook will then generate a bit of code for you. Don't let it intimidate you. Just click the button that says Copy Code. Facebook has done all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to write a single line yourself. Now return to your WordPress page editor. In your custom HTML block, simply paste the code you just copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or pressing Ctrl+V, CMD+V on Mac. The code might look a little messy, but that's completely normal. It's just instructions for your website. Before you rush to publish the page, always preview your work. Click the Preview button, usually found at the top right. This opens a live version of your page, where you can make sure the Facebook post is showing up correctly and everything looks good. Sometimes it takes a moment to load. Don't worry if you see a blank area at first. If you're happy, it's time for the final step. Hit Publish to make your new page live on the web. Your visitors can now see your embedded Facebook feed, and it'll update whenever your Facebook post does. That's it. You've seamlessly connected your Facebook and WordPress in just a few steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, just leave a comment below. I always love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next one.